So good day. Today I will demonstrate how to plot from DR position up to getting the fixed position. So this is based on our discussion lately on MTech 101. So first is you have the DR is already given. So let's find DR by using the triangle ruler. So this is our DR. It is measured longitude and latitude. So it is 44 degrees 10 minutes north and has a longitude of 169 degrees and 30 minutes. So the DR represents a triangle symbol. So after you plot the DR, you get either stars. So there are two stars given. So let's get first the star named Markov. So the ZN and intercept is already given. So first is you have to find the ZN or azimuth. So by using the compass, let's plot where is the bearing of Markov. So right here, this is 85.2. So after that, you have to get your compass divider. So let's read its intercept. So its intercept is 5.2 away. So by using a compass divider, you have to get the 5.2 here. So example, this is a 5.2. So this is the bearing of Markov. So it has 5.2 away. So away from the star. So the opposite of this line. So let's transfer this into here. So by using a triangle ruler, transfer it here. So we'll get our ZN of Markov. And next is we have to get the compass divider, and that 5.2 we have to mark it here. For example, 5.2 away. So if you already have a line here, small line, so next is you have to get its position line by doing this, by using a triangle ruler, triangle ruler. So it is like a 90 degree. So here, this is your position line of PL Markov. So you have your position line already. So next is the from dead reckoning to the intercept, that is our ITP. So by getting the coordinates of ITP, it is same as getting the coordinates of dead reckoning. So let's get that. So the result is 44 degrees 7 minutes north, and it has longitude 189 degrees 22 minutes east. So next, our position line, we have to transfer it to our compass to get the value of our two perpendicular of the star Markov. So you are done with the first star. Let's get the second star. So it is a repeating process. So first is the star. We have to get the second star, which is Rosal Husky, or I already named it Rosa. So it has ZN 183.3 and intercept 6.42 words. So first and foremost, we have to get the ZN or azimuth 183.3 degrees. So it is here, I think 183. This 183.3. These are the bearing of our star. So next, we have to get our compass divider. So it says the intercept is 6.4 towards. So get your 6.4 towards here. For example, this is 6.4. Then before you transfer the bearing of the ROSA, you have to read what's in the intercept. So it says 6.4 towards. So towards, you are going to the sun, towards the sun, not away. So here, towards the sun, so it is going down. So let's transfer this bearing to our dead reckoning. So by using a triangle ruler. So here, this the bearing of the ROSA, or the ZN of the ROSA Hasge. So after that, you have the ZN 183.3, 6.4 towards. So next is you have to get the intercept. So from the DR position, plot your 6.4 here. Then you have a small line. Let's get the 90 degree. Or just follow the bearing line while using the two triangle rulers. So it will look like this. So this is your PL of the second star. So after that, you have your from DR to the intercept 6.4. That is your ITP. So by getting the coordinates of the second ITP, we have to use triangle rulers again. So by getting that, we have 44, and getting the longitude, use the upper, same as usual as we have done on the first star. So there. So the result of the ITP2 is 44 degrees 002 minutes north and has longitude of 169 degrees 29 minutes east. So you have already your ITP. So next is we have to transfer the perpendicular line. So this, you have to transfer it to the compass rose here. So that is the perpendicular of the second star. So Rosa star. So next is you have already plotted your two PLs. So the intersection of the two PLs will be your fixed position. So upon getting the fixed position, it is like getting the coordinates of dead reckoning. So so use your two triangle rulers again. Get the latitude and longitude. So just get latitude and longitude of the fixed position like this. Then the longitude like this. But you'll use two triangle rulers, guys, like that. So the result of our fixed position is 44 degrees 03 minutes north. Longitude is 169 degrees 23 minutes east. So that is how the procedure works from dead reckoning to fixed position by observing two stars. So that is all. Thank you, sir.